happens in the first step of transcription, which occurs in the nucleus. I'll tell you what happens as we go over all of it from DNA to mRNA to proteins. Transcription happens in the nucleus because the DNA is fragile and doesn't like to leave the nucleus. DNA is in every single cell in our body. It is fragile and codes for all life inside of our bodies. DNA is in every living thing and codes for them too. mRNA is sections of DNA that goes to the RNA polymers to be sectioned off into codons and turned into proteins. The nucleotides in DNA are slightly different than the ones in RNA. The bases in RNA are uracil, adenine, cytosine, and guanine. RNA base pairs, like this, U pairs with A and C pairs with G. The bases in DNA are adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. In DNA, A pairs with T and C pairs with G. The ribosome is where translation happens. It is the best location for this as it is a stable environment for the coding process. It turns 3 bases into codons. It then turns the codons into proteins, then sends them off. The process happening are translation and transcription. These happen so we can function properly. If there was an error, say in a protein that is supposed to fight off diseases, gets copied wrong so it attacks cells instead, that could be a fatal part in the body.